Turn me up, bitch.
Turn me up, bitch. Hey.
Hey. Hey. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Hey. I'm on a fucking head like if a nigga try me, then they gon' give me motherfucking life. But niggas think I'm running big cars. Ain't not an astronaut, that boy ain't ready for liftoff. You done got shit, don't forget and be pissed off. Thought you was hard, but we found out you real soft. Big boss, I can get him and him knocked off. One call, I think that all of my problems solved. Chest burn, I don't think he drinking alcohol. That bitch, I know that she wanna give it all. At first, I don't think I need a Tylenol. I point at the ground, man, she know how directions, dog. She only here for erections, dog. I don't do all that back and forth texting, dog. All you loving, caressing, and giving affection, dog. You a bitch and I need a confession, dog. We did it in by the truckloads. One call, I know that they be Roberto. He telling me that he needed the peso. Lay low, I tell him move when I say so. Give you a halo for queso. Guess that we know that's a case closed. Drop slow, something like a drive-through. Give him a ball hit, something like Caillou. It's so funny how I could just buy you, bitch. Like dead ass, like I can really buy a nigga. I can really buy a nigga, bro. Like a slave to me, like I can buy your life, bro. Stop playing with me, bitch. Oh God, bitch, give me all the racks when I say so. We make the block hot fuego. I got a drop on the op, bitch. He got him his cars from unknown. It's like I pay for this bitch, I'm in his home. Should never trusted that bitch, boy, you dead wrong. He put the cuffs on that bitch, now that hoe gone. Just to go find a booty, just to choke on. I'm in this bitch like ha. You kissing that bitch, boy, bye. Oh my God, niggas too soft. Niggas ain't shit too plot. And I'm smoking too damn much, got too damn high. Sip too much, got too damn tired. About fuck that bitch about 1-2 times. I the bitch ain't drunk, but the bitch still want. Ain't done in that bitch, no way. If a bitch wanna eat, she gon' get what I left on my plate. No Adam and Eve, man, these bitches just stay. If that bitch wanna leave, I just tell her to shake. And I go where I please, I don't ask it, I wait. Got your kids at home and my kids on the face.
What's good?
Got your kids at home and my kids on the face, bitch.
We make the block hot fuego. I got a drop. Hello. What's good? He got him his cars from unknown. It's like I pay for this bitch, I'm his no. Should never trusted that bitch, boy, you dead wrong. You put the cuffs on that bitch, now that hoe gone. Just to go find a new dick, just to choke on. What's good, man? I DM'd you, man. Hell yeah, man. You should have came, man. We need a link. We need a link, man. We need a link, brother. Play no failure, I got you. Bruh. Yeah, I come get geek with your boy for the once. For the one time. For the one time. Come and get geeky. What's good? Alright, I got you. Man, it just feels so good to be around the like minds. Being around like-minded thinkers, high-level thinkers. You see what I'm saying? Ooh. It's been, bro, the people have been great, bro. Like, to be honest, this is one of the best experiences I had. And I keep saying that every time I go do a new venture, a new thing, it's like it keep getting better and fucking better. It keep getting better and better, bro. Like, the people you meet on your journey who align with you. And I'm saying, like, as far as in us as traders, bro, we think different, bro. We off the rip, we thinking differently. So when you see somebody else who wearing the magic glasses, right? And you see them and you got your magic glasses on, you looking at them, they looking at you, and you looking at them, and y'all like, you see me? They like, I see you. You see me? Yeah, I see you. That's how it is. It's literally like that when you link up with motherfuckers who thinking on that high level. You know our motherfucking career and journey be lonely as hell, bro. But it's doable, but it's not. How efficient is it? We all need help. We all need some type of assistance. And motherfuckers ain't gonna do the shit on their own. It's just how it go. We ain't built to do shit on our own. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needed somebody, period, point blank. So that's a fact. That's a fact, man. It's definitely like gonna be one for the books. That's day one, day two. You know, day two of the trip. Out of a little bit of more time. But you gotta align yourself with high level thinkers. You gotta align yourself with those who are on that same path as you in some type of way. You know, they might not everybody gonna be on your path 100%, but they might be on your path a way that you might really need their ass in some type of manner. It might not be financial, but it may trickle into that category. It might not be spiritual, but it might trickle into that category. But somebody gonna have some type of knowledge, some type of platform, some type of next level shit for you. And you have to get out. You have to touch it. You have to see it. You have to surround yourself with those who own that type of level, who have done things that you have done, or even better than what you have done, or who's following in your past footsteps, so you can uplift and say, hey, don't do that. Do this instead. You're going to have better results. And you just tweak what they got going on. Iron sharpening iron, right? That's how we get to the next level. The shit I be talking about, bruh, people got to put their ego to the side, and we can really go crazy. We can really go crazy. We got everybody who can understand, yeah, shit, I need somebody help. Can somebody help me? And not be afraid to ask for their help, reach out. You don't know how far you can go, and you don't know who think like you and what y'all can put together using y'all mindset, coming together with a plan. The class is definitely high level. He got 850. Nah, for real, we was all in the class, you know, I had that shit marked up and they ain't even get to take the shit. I'm trading oil. So when that shit popped off, I'm not even really caring about that shit. I'm caring about what I'm on. You know, I don't be like, depending on what I'm doing for the day, I don't be just mixing. If I'm focusing on something and I'm trying to, you know, manage orders and scale it and shit like that, I'm on that one. I don't need to be over here and over there. But it was an amazing move, man. We living in a beautiful time for the markets. You know, I ain't trip off of the 1,000 pip move, bro. It was 1,000 pips in total. I think he caught maybe 800, 900 pips of it. But it's a thousand pip move, man. And guess what? It's going to be millions and millions of more 1,000 pip moves, 1,000 pip pushes, more than that. You see what I'm saying? We ain't never missing out on shit. We just feel like we is because we can get money at any given time in the market. So we always feel like we miss. If that's the case, if you be salty off missing 1,000 pips, nigga, you need to be salty off of every pip that you missing in the market, bro. You cannot catch everything. You cannot catch everything. Be satisfied with what you can catch and what you can lock down, because even what you think you can catch might not even be all that. You see what I'm saying? You might have to change your bias maybe 2 times before you get right. I'm really coming to butterfly myself out and meet more like-minded folks. That's the whole reason that pushed me to even do this shit, because I knew it was deeper than just going to the course itself. Like, that's a byproduct of the experience. You know, what's going to last the longest and stand the test of time is the relationships you build. That's one thing that, like, how to get over is just understanding, like, this shit is not going nowhere, and the faster you try to go, the slower the shit take, the longer the shit take. But, you know, everybody on this journey who has not given up, who have not thrown in the towel, bro, they got it because they already got the mindset that a majority of people do not have. Bro, in the market conditions that we in, with all the news and shit that's going on, you have to be changing your bias like that. You do have to be having double biases. You have to be able to see things not only from where your innate, because most people, we are either seller's bias, or buyer's bias. So sometimes you have to go against your innate feeling and visuals and your preconceived notion on what you're trying to get out the market. And you might have to be able to see the buyer side. You might have to actually change your perspective. Look, that key hack is hitting the option I to invert your charts upside down. If you have a heavy seller's bias, you have a heavy buyer's bias, invert your charts. Just hit control I on your computer, and it will flip your charts upside down. And for a bearish mindseted person, they're going to be able to clearly see the buys now. They're going to be able to clearly see market structure now. Instead of having a seller's bias It's kind of like that you got to figure out ways to psych yourself out. You're a seller, so you mostly see a lot of sales. But if it's a bullish market, you need to hit inverse so that you can still see the sales clearly. It's still going to be sales, right? Quote unquote. But you're going to be hitting the buy button this time. You just got to psych your mind out in different ways in this shit sometimes. It's so many ways that you have to figure out what fits you and your psychology, your personality. Some people might not be able to handle candlesticks. You see what I'm saying? But they can trade amazingly off the line chart. You see what I'm saying? They're not breaking down candlestick patterns, and they're not able to see higher lows and lower lows and higher highs and higher lows, etc. You see what I'm saying? But they switch to the line chart. Now things are clearer. Now they're not even hesitating to get in. They're like, oh, it's at this resistance. It just broke. It just retested. Let me go ahead and get in based upon this because I'm seeing structure very clearly. It's certain things you just got to do to figure out what fits my trading style, what fits me the best, and work within who you are. Because not everything gonna work for everybody. Not everything gonna work for everybody. You have to mix this motherfucking Rubik's Cube until some shit start making sense in real life. In the field, when you on the charts, when shit start clicking and making sense, stick to that. And then start making improvement tweaks. Don't go backwards. Don't go change your whole trading style. Don't do none of that shit. Fine tune the shit. Fine tune the losses. Fine tune the entries. Fine tune all that shit. And then take it to the next level. Fine tune everything. And then take it to the next level. Don't switch. If you find something that start to work, don't switch shit. Fine tune and tweak until what you had that works better. And when it works better, figure out how you can make it work better than that. Sometimes it's not even about what you're doing per se as far as in your trading journey. It's about staying consistent long enough to build. Everything becomes put this puzzle piece in. Does it fit? Yes or no? If it fits, keep it. Once you get the puzzle starts to look clear and you're starting to become profitable, right? You don't want to switch shit. You want to stay doing the same exact thing you're doing. And over time, the only thing that should be changing is your lot size. Your trading plan shouldn't change. Your strategy shouldn't change. Only thing that would and should change is your lot size, and that is all. That is all. That is all you got to do. You don't got to do nothing else. And you keep doing the same thing year in, year out, and you don't switch shit up. That's how you build the consistency. That's how you build the portfolio. That's how you build the history. That's how you see your actual growth in the markets is doing that. Whatever it is. If you got to be that person who they only take double tops, double bottoms, that's all they do. They wait on breaks and retests. That's all they do. They got one simple strategy. That's all they do. They become profitable. The only thing that they're going to do, keep building that account, keep building. Then gradually start to up the lot sizes. Everything else will start to come. It will start to roll in. It will start to do what it needs to do for you. But don't deviate on the plan. Be patient because things come quicker than you know it versus you trying to rush. And then what you want, it takes a longer amount of time for you to obtain it. What's good, y'all? How y'all doing? I know you caught GU today. I know you caught some. I know you did. You be fucking GJ up. I know you ain't left her. And I know you caught some. So don't even get on here like you ain't catch nothing. I know you got something. I know you got something. Yeah, I got you. Let me see. What's good?
So this right here is where I went in for the buy, right? Isn't this looking like it's bullish?
Alright. You said what?
Like, this is where I went in for the buy. Isn't this looking like it's going bullish?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course.
This is a higher low, right?
Yep. Facts.
Higher high.
Yep. Factual.
Higher low.
That's factual.
Okay. This is when it's going bearish.
That would be considered a higher low as well, but yeah, that's a higher low. That's a look, that's a lower low right here.
Lower low. Okay.
Yeah, so you got a transition that already happened.
And this is when it broke, right?
You caught some of that buy? And then what'd you say, where did it break?
Right here.
No. For which one? For the buys or for the sales?
For the buy.
So if you want it for the buys, yeah, once it got past this point right here, because it broke that last what? What is this? What would this be?
That is that's a lower.
Switch it.
It's a higher low.
No. You had it right. You had it right.
A lower low, right?
Lower high.
Lower high.
So this is a lower high. You got your lower lows come. Then you got this that's retesting that previous.
The previous.
Which it came up. If you was to really be detailed with it, right? And let me see. Let me get your line. Right, and then you would put that as detailed as you can, which I'm pretty sure it got some wicks right there, right? So we got wicks right here. Perfect. Came up, it broke above that previous high, then it came back and it retested, and it gave you your confirmations within this area here to execute on the buy side.
Okay.
So yeah, that would be a move. What's good? How you doing? You got in, not GU, but US 30. Yeah, you got in on that buy, bro. 1,000 pips in less than 3 hours, bro. Shit's different. Shit's hitting different lately. I'm waiting on oil to start trending. When oil start trending, bro, I'm finna fuck it up. I'm gonna fuck oil up. I'm bullish right now. So when this transition happen, it's up. When the full transition happened, I already caught the buy sales, right? I mean the buys right now. Earlier today, we already in entries. So once we get more liquidity pushing, I'm telling you, we going crazy once it start trending. But yeah, man, we gonna have to lean. We have to do something for sure. For sure, we have to do something. Chop it up, man. Caught sales on US 30. You missed that buy because you was done for the day. Okay. Yeah, man. I mean, things are just getting clearer and clearer and clearer. I guess like the more time that you just keep spending doing this shit, teaching this shit, around this shit, talking about this shit. That's why I say, like, you get around people who do this shit, like, really put yourself around people who do this shit, and your career gonna go up. You're gonna go faster. You're gonna go further. You see what I'm saying? Versus you trying to do the shit solo dolo all the time. I don't need nobody ass nigga. I got it on my own ass nigga, man. Stop. Band together. Find somebody who you can link with, team up with, build a team, build a community, and go up with them who really dedicated and serious about this shit, and who really treat this shit like it's lifestyle, not a motherfucking hobby. Not a motherfucking side hustle. Not none of that shit. Motherfuckers who really live this life. Nobody gonna understand it. Nobody gonna get this shit. Unless you in this shit, you're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get shit we talking about. You're not gonna get shit we go through. You're not gonna understand, comprehend the mental barriers that motherfuckers have to jump to get to these next levels, bruh. Come on now. Like, we have to be as real as fucking possible. Self-motivation is not what you think it is no more. It's not what you think it is. If you self-motivating, but you inching slightly up, that's not what it is, bro. You need competition. You need to be able to be around some healthy competition. Motherfuckers who are going to get on your ass. Motherfuckers who gonna push you. Motherfuckers who gonna be going up, and you see them going up, and you like, man, what the fuck? I gotta get on my shit. I gotta study more. I gotta go to the gym more. I gotta do that. And if you're not around that, you're just prolonging yourself, man. Stop being scary. Stop put your pride and ego to the side and hit motherfuckers up and band together, because you gotta understand, time is motherfucking ticking. This shit finna go down. Like, shit really finna go down. And that's all I'm saying. Like, shit really finna go down. So band together, get together, roll with your peoples, man. Find your motherfucking tribe, stick by them motherfuckers, and roll with your people, bro. Motherfuckers who trade, y'all trade. Find other motherfuckers who trade and come the fuck together. Y'all ain't gotta do shit solo. Y'all ain't gotta trade the same pairs. Y'all don't gotta do nothing but hold each other accountable and have somebody to bounce ideas and have somebody to show and reshape what the fuck you got going on and tell you when you wrong. Tell you like, look, bro, you're wrong. This is why you're wrong. Not, bro, you wrong. Fuck that. No, bro, look, this is why you're wrong. See, look here. It didn't quite break structure yet. Like, see how it maintained the higher height, the height. See, so no, it's not sales yet, bro. Calm down. You some shit like that. You see what I'm saying? That now Buddy done saved a bag. He didn't lose no bread. And now he ended up getting an amazing entry for the correct side of the markets. That is the type of environment that you need to be around and put yourself in, no matter what the fuck you got to do. No matter what the fuck you got to do, you have to put yourself in certain environments, even if you're uncomfortable. If you're uncomfortable, that's amazing, because you're going to get growth. Whenever you're uncomfortable, whenever you feel uncomfortable, you know it's a positive thing, because growth is following right behind it. As long as you stick through the shit, growth is going to follow right behind that shit. Just trying to let y'all know, man. I'm just trying to let y'all know. Sorry, y'all. Instagram wanted me to get off for today. But those who take heed, those who peep game, those who take action, they will reap the benefits. Those who sit back and keep hearing the same shit year after year, day after day, month after month, they gonna keep getting the same results. They gonna keep complaining to you about they shit. They gonna keep complaining about their life. They gonna have somebody to blame for the shit. They gonna have a book of people to blame for where they at right now. But guess what? They'll never look in the mirror. They'll never look in the mirror. They'll never go. But, you know, I just want to check in with y'all, man. See what y'all got going on, man. See what y'all got going on. It's just crazy when you really get out, and sometimes you don't even have to go far. Sometimes you can bring things to you, but you have to do the work. You have to want the shit. You have to think about the shit. You have to plan about the shit. You have to plot about the shit. You have to write about the shit. You have to daydream about the shit. And life does a magical thing called the law of magnetism. Now, things that you desire and that your feelings are surrounded around starts to push and come into your life in magical, unexpected ways, right? And it's not fabricated. I literally live this lifestyle, and it happens to me day in and day out. Why? Because I'm not walking by hope, and I'm not walking by faith. I'm walking by know, because I fucking know who I am, and I fucking know where I'm going. I fucking know what's gonna happen, and I fucking know how to make it happen. And sometimes when I don't fucking know how to make it happen, guess what? It still fucking happens. It still happens. You don't have to know everything. You just gotta want the shit really, 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 really bad. And if you want something really, 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 really bad, you start doing things that's tailored towards wanting it really, 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 really bad, right? Things start popping up because you want it really, 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 really bad. You start getting introduced to people who can get you what you want because you just wanted it really, 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 really bad. You see the power of desire? You see the power of desire? Not, bro, there is no hope. Bro, every time I said, I hope that don't happen, I hope this ain't gonna happen, I hope, bro, everything I said, I hope, the shit happened. Shit I hope didn't happen, the shit happened. You see what I'm saying? What's good? That shit is definitely a curse word. It curses your life. When you start saying, I hope. Guess what God and the universe gonna do for you? Oh, you hope? Oh, okay. You're a hoping ass nigga, huh? Oh, you a hoping motherfucker, right? Here's some more shit to hope about, bitch. Keep hoping. It's very funny. You get what you ask for, no matter what it is. You get whatever it is you desire, you get it. So if you a hoping motherfucker, guess what? God see you love hoping. The universe see you love hoping. Guess what you gonna get? Some more shit to hope about. You gonna get so much shit to hope about. You gonna stop hoping. You gonna stop hoping about shit. I bet you learn to shut the fuck up. How about that? Sometimes it's just best shut the fuck up. Don't even say nothing. Sometimes motherfuckers mindset so negative, they be saying negative shit subliminally, not even realizing they saying negative shit. So you might just need to picture that shit and write the shit down. You might not need to talk about it no more. You might not need to say a motherfucking word, because you probably cursing yourself out every day. You're probably cursing I can't do it. I don't know how to. I wish it wasn't. No, I'm cool. I'm good. That's what's gonna happen. You gotta know. I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all start tapping into this shit. Y'all start doing this shit for real. Y'all start living that life. It's gonna be such a weight off your shoulders, because you realize I've been playing the game too goddamn hard. I've been playing this shit backwards. I've been walking backwards. I've been doing things backwards. I've been living upside down. I've been living in the upside down. Be very mindful. That's all I gotta say. Just be very mindful. Up your awareness. Peep what you say to yourself. Peep your self-talk. Peep your self-thought. Your self-talk and your self-thoughts. Peep them. See what the fuck is going on up there. See what the fuck you be saying to people. See how your energy come off. And then you have to be able to audit yourself. Do a full-blown audit. Like, nope, I get mad that easy. Nope, can't do this. Nope, I don't understand. Start going off the checklist of shit you gotta clean up. Because you can't keep being who you are, because you're going to get the results that you got. You can't even be yourself. You have to form and create a brand new character from scratch. Because guess what? We live in the fucking Matrix. It's a fucking video game. And you can become whatever fucking character you want to become. Right? Right? You wanted to wake up tomorrow and dye your motherfucking hair and dress a whole different way and talk a whole different way. Guess what? You don't think, why you think actors get paid so much? Y'all don't think the motherfuckers on the news, they get paid a lot? Why you think they get paid? That's an acting gig. They're actors. Everybody's acting. They're all characters. If you don't have a character, make a character. Make a fucking character. This is the life we live in. Think about every video game you ever played. You was able to reinvent them. You was able to craft them, build them. Muscles, no muscles. Slim, big. Tattoo, no tattoo. You see what I'm saying? Hair, no hair. Locks, no locks. You see what I'm saying? You don't have to be who you are, because you're going to get what you're getting right now. If you don't change. If you don't change, you have to change. You have to switch. This shit ain't no motherfucking game, y'all. But it is. It's funny, ain't it? This shit ain't no game, but it is. Motherfuckers playing these bullshit ass games with themselves, though. But hey, Either they gonna learn or they not. Either they gonna learn or they not. But it is. Nah, for real. How long I been on here? 30 minutes? Oh yeah, that's long enough, y'all. I gotta get back to the moment. Y'all. But, you know, it's always a pleasure coming on here. You know, when I come on here, you know what I'm gonna do. Sometimes I don't know what I'm gonna do, but y'all know what I'm gonna do every time. But most definitely, man, I'm gonna send you my number. Tap in with me. Everybody ain't meant to learn. Everybody ain't meant to get this message. I might post this shit. 10 people might watch some of this shit. And out of them 10, 2 gonna finish the shit all the way through. And out of those 2, congratulations. Congratulations to them 2 who finished through the whole segment of this live. But, you know what I mean? It's been cool. And I'm going to keep y'all updated, of course, like I always do. And just let y'all know my inner thoughts and what I be thinking sometimes. Like, I be thinking about a lot of shit, y'all. I be thinking about a lot of shit. So, I'm going to be filling y'all in. I love y'all, man. Y'all have a great night. Y'all have a great, beautiful, beautiful night. You know. Give y'all a little goodbye view. A little goodbye view. So I'll see y'all later, y'all. Wake up, butt naked on the balcony and do the eagle spread when I wake up in the morning. Like, good morning, America. I'll see y'all later, man. I love y'all, man. I'm gonna get the fuck up off here.